Seamless replacement. This headlight assembly was specifically designed to look and function like the original headlight on specific vehicles. Excellent value, original equipment quality at a lower price. Durable materials, rigid plastic protects against weather and road conditions. Easy installation, built to match the exact original dimensions for proper fit. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Top reviews from the United States. Fit well. But Dorman makes good headlights, but just like every aftermarket headlight and OEM too, the clear is very poor. They last about 2 years and they will start to yellow because there is no hardener and UV protection in the clear coat. To protect them for 20 years plus reclear them with a good 2-part clear. Simply green scotch brite the lenses only and reclear them before installing and they will last a long time.